No. This is your turn.
Every beginners are mostly struggle to speak with others. First, I am also struggling. uh, this is the first time, and but in my university life I struggled so much because when I entered to the university we don't know English, and we are always we studied in Tamil medium, no? So we struggled in the first semester, and I don't know, even the single words like vocabulary is very important, no, to speak or to write the exam and everything. So we wrote the exam in English medium. We don't have any opportunity to write in Tamil or any other language. We know only Tamil and
Okay.
English. So first time when I entered to the university, I don't know English, right? So after that, I struggled. The first semester, I called to my mom and cried, "Oh my mom, I can't do that because I am my native place is Vavuniano. My parents are here,
Yeah.
and but I got the university at Colombo. This is the capital city of Sri Lanka, right? So I went to Colombo. So they are everyone are Sinhalese, right? Everyone is Sinhalese, and they talk in Sinhala and English. Everyone knows English very well there, but we
Oh,
don't. We only know Tamil, right?
okay.
But the lectures is going on. Lectures was going on Sinhala, and slides has been in English.
Mm.
But that time I struggled. Oh my God, I can't do that. And I after that I called to my mom and I told I can't. I can't do that. I'm going to come from here. And I told. And she said, okay, okay, little you manage, you can see. She encouraged me. And
Yes.
after that, after that, the first semester exam time, oh my God, I cannot. Because, this side, I don't know how to call the back side of this head
Yes. Yes.
has swollen
Okay.
because
Okay. Yes. Yes.
of too much stress. We have
Oh.
to everything we have to remember, no, the every word. So
Yeah.
I struggled too much. But when we write the exam paper, we write what is the HRM mean. We will write the planning and organizing mean. If I don't know the organizing word, I will keep the space there because I forget that.
So that later, if you can recall the word, so you can put that word over there.
Yeah, for that.
Oh
But
my God.
finally,
Yeah.
finally, I could not remember those words, right? But that space was there.
So what we will do, what we do in that scenario, we just write our own mother language. If we don't know English, so we write in Hindi, but we don't we don't left it empty place, like
Space.
yes, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
But they don't know Tamil. No, all lectures are Sinhalese, and uh, they know only English and Sinhala language. We know only Tamil language. So I struggle, and my this side has swollen, and oh my God, I can't tell that experience. It was a too struggle. I was struggled too much,
I can
and
understand.
after that, yeah. First semester, I got the normal results. Okay, I thought I have to pass the exam. First, this is the very important. And after that, the second semester, just I tried it. Okay, I will do that. And from the slide, I started to learn how to form the sentence, the long sentence.
Yes,
And I started to learn new vocabularies, like. And from that, I little bit I improved. I think I improved,
no,
right?
you are speaking very well. Don't say like that. Yeah.
And little bit I improved. The second semester I got for one subject A results, right?
Oh.
Only one subject from the out of six subject I got only A result, and other subjects like B, right?
Okay.
And the second one, oh, I excited. Oh my God, I can get A results, right? By writing the exam paper in English. And okay, then second semester, just I decided to understand what they are saying. The first semester, without understanding, I remembered everything, and
Yeah.
in the exam time I recalled and I wrote the exam. And the
Yeah.
second semester little improved, and the next third semester, okay, fine. After that, I got good results, and now I think I got second upper class,
Oh, oh my
second
God.
upper class division.
Congratulations for that. Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah, it happens, I think, with everyone when when you come from your schooling time, then you join new university and organization, and if your language is changed, so it is very difficult to handle, means
Yeah,
coordinate with studies, language, and learn new things. Yeah, it is very difficult and very stressful, I must say. And it was so bad that you got swelling backside of your head. I
yeah,
don't
yeah.
know how did you manage that? Yeah, it was bad experience, I think so, right?
Yeah. But after that, nowadays I speak Sinhala than the English, right? I will speak Sinhala better than English because
Oh,
Sinhala language I have learned by listening now. So that's
yes,
why I have yeah, I cannot forget it. It's suddenly it will come to my mind. I'll speak fluently in Sinhala. But when I speak in English, because I have learned grammar and everything, when I speak in
yes.
English,
This is the
I will
problem.
think, okay, am I correct in English? Am I correct when I speak in English?
Yeah.
I will think that.
This is also happens with me as well, because whenever I talk without thinking about grammar, I can speak fluently. But once I start thinking about grammar, am I saying wrong or am I saying correct, or wrong, then I make mistakes, and I make mistakes again and again, whole conversation,
Yeah,
you
absolutely.
know. So this is something I feel that, is it good way to learn English? I mean, correct yourself each and everything. Then I think then, but if I don't correct myself, so I will run with the wrong English in future as well. So I need to correct
Yeah,
myself, because if no
that's true.
one
That's true.
corrects me, so I will be a fluent speaker, but I will be not a accurate English speaker, right? But
Yeah, yeah,
I
that's true.
don't want to do that. I want to become fluent, at the same time accurate English speaker. That's the reason I'm working. Other than
That's
that,
true.
yeah,
That's true.
yeah, yes,
Fluent mean not speaking continuously in English without giving a gap, not like that. Fluent
yes,
mean we have to speak accurately and slowly, and at the same time, others have to understand our English.
yes.
That's the fluent.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
that is fluency. And I mean, we all are intermediate level. I must say,
Yeah, sure.
intermediate level. So there are lots of parts in English that we can learn. How to stress one single word, how to say where we need to stress, give more stress where we need to say easily, and pronunciation is, as you know, a very important part in English.
Yeah, yeah, that's
And your intonation, that how you speak whenever you are delivering your thoughts, or you are delivering your ideas. So your whole expression and the intonation, your voice modulation, these are the things very important, and once
yeah,
you can coordinate with these things, then you will become like a fluent speaker, like a news anchor type of person.
yeah. That's true.
Right? Yeah, yeah. And I would like to know, in fact, if we will have a second session, so I would like to meet with your entire family.
Oh yeah, sure, sure. I'll show everyone. And just today you have asked in the WhatsApp to send the pictures. I
Yes, yes.
forget it because of this dinner party and everything.
It's okay.
After this
You will
end
send.
of this session, I will definitely send.
Yeah, you will send whenever you have a time. One more thing, makes me fascinated about Sri Lanka. That Sri Lanka is one country which is surrounded by ocean.
Ocean. Yeah.
Ocean. And whenever I thought that thing, that Sri Lanka is one country which is surrounded by ocean, and what if some, I don't want to um, give bad things, but there are lots of imaginations in my mind, how they feel. It makes me crazy, about your country, that it makes me feel like a different world sort of things, that if I live in a country which surrounded by oceans, I must say that I'm fascinated by ocean also. I would love to surf on sea, I don't know
Yeah.
how to do it, but this is also one of the activity in my top list. I really want to learn. So these are the things make me fascinated, and I feel like, wow, Sangams people are very lucky.
Okay. Once you come, right? Once you come, I will make all the arrangements to go all over the Sri Lanka, right? We will do
Yes,
a trip,
yes, yes,
right?
yes, yes. Please, please, please make some arrangements so that I can learn surfing. I think in your place there is a classes or how to learn surfing. I don't know if you are interested or not, but I'm asking my interest. Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to know about Sri Lanka, one session is not enough. I will tell two. I can tell lots of culture. I can tell about the cultures and about districts and what are the destination places are there to visit, and lots of the miracles are here, right? You
Yeah.
once you come, and at the same time we will discuss in the next sessions and everything, right?
Yes, 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 for the sure, for sure. And one more thing I want to say you, that if you want to do practice on daily basis, so
Yeah, okay.
this before this session I called you, but I didn't get you. I don't know why. Maybe a network issues or signal issues. So, but WhatsApp we can use in across the world. So I have a group,
Okay.
WhatsApp group,
Okay.
and if you want to practice on daily basis, there are lots of girls who know Tamil also.
Okay.
Yes, so you can practice on daily basis. You can meet
Okay.
with different people. They all are from India, from the different part of India. You know,
India.
yeah. So you can do. They all are girls. I have a girls group, so you can do practice on daily basis. You can have a session on Google Meet. You know,
Okay. Yeah,
can
yeah.
improve on daily basis. Yeah. So
Yeah, I
it
would
is
love to.
up to you if you want to join, because I just want to help people who are really passionate about learning. Yeah.
Okay, I love to join. You join me with that group.
Okay. Okay, dear. Okay, dear.
Okay.
All right. Sorry, I couldn't say your name for a single time, but I'm trying to say Thanusia. Is it correct?
Tanushia.
Thanus,
Yeah, Tanushia.
Thanus,
Tanushia.
Thanusia.
She. Yeah.
Shia.
Tanushia.
Thanusia. It is very lovely
She.
name, by the way. I'm
I
struggling.
know your name, right? Always, I was very excited to. I was a. I was very excited to speak with you, right? So I told to all my family members, I am going to speak with Megha Yadav.
Oh,
Right? I,
thank
yeah,
you so
I
much,
told.
dear.
I yesterday fully I told I'm going to talk with Megha Yadav. Megha Yadav.
Oh,
Seriously, I was
so how you're,
super. I
how
was
you're,
very
yeah.
happy. Every time, usually I talk too much, right, with my family members, right? English mean I won't talk with other people, right? The Tamil mean usually I will talk too much. I'm a very talkative, right?
Yeah, every girls, I
I'm
think we
talkative.
all are very talkative girls, you know,
Yeah,
and
that's true.
laughing
Right?
and laughing whole conversation. This is also, I don't know people like or not, but I feel sometimes that people must think about us like they every time they are laughing and speaking and talk, they are very talkative. But I feel I take it for
Yeah,
laughing is also a good
but that's
practice.
nice. Smile is
Yeah,
always is good, no?
yeah, yeah, yes, yes. I mean,
At
when
my home also, I always laugh.
oh
Tell me.
no, you were saying something. I didn't get you.
No. Always at my home, whenever whatever happened, I always laugh and with a smile, right?
Yes.
That time only, if I hurted by others or if I hurt others, that time only I will struggle. Oh, how can I manage this situation? And after that, okay, with the smile, I will go outside.
Oh my God, this is something we all can learn from you. That with a smile you can handle each and everything, right?
Yeah,
This
other people will think how she can be happy and that, but no, I can't be like that. I will think about it when it's come to my mind. I will translate it like, oh no, you don't think about it too much, right? Calm down, and with the smile, I'll go outside.
oh, what a attitude you have! What a confidence you have! That is very good thing. And yeah, I'm quite similar like you. I cannot leave. I mean, in my heart, I whenever I hurt from the people, I these are the feelings inside of my heart, but I cannot show each and every time. I mean, I cannot make my face for whole day.
Yeah, that's true.
It makes me
When I
sick.
see your face, it's obviously
It
can
makes
see from
I don't know
your
about others,
face.
but it makes me sick that I'm making my face whole day. So it makes me sick. So instead of thinking about negative things, I would prefer to think about positive things. I would prefer to make me happy. Yeah, that's it. And everyone I think should
Yeah.
do this practice, because nowadays we are running so fast. We have so much negative things surrounding us. We have to deal with negative energies,
Yeah, that's
smile
true.
is something we with smile we can deal with each and every negative waves or negative energies. Sorry, negative energies, not
Yeah.
waves should be always positive, right? And we are the one we make waves, so we always should
Yeah, that's true.
make positive waves, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
Tanushia, sorry.
Yeah, you're struggling, right? Okay, it's
Yeah,
okay.
I will practice after this session again and again. Then next time, whenever I will
Is
come,
it hard to
no,
spell?
no, it's not. It's not like yeah. This is a little bit difficult, but
Okay.
I just want to pronounce correctly. I can pronounce Tanushia, but it is not
Yeah,
correct.
that's true. Okay, fine.
Okay, Tanushia. Okay, great.
Tanush, yeah.
Okay, Tanushia. It is lovely
Okay.
chatting with you. I enjoyed a lot, and I hope that we will have a lot of sessions about you, your
Yes.
family, and about whole Sri Lanka. Okay?
Okay, sure.
Okay, so this is the time to say bye bye, Tata. Okay?
Bye.
Okay.
See you next session.
Sure, dear.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a great day. God bless you. Bye.
You too,
Bye.
dear. Have a great day. You too.